Meet the OmniOne, the latest hybrid system promising to redefine what a mobile computer can be. Currently available through a crowdfunding campaign, the OmniOne has already caught the eye of tech enthusiasts around the world. Backers pledging at least $359 are expected to receive their device by February 2026. Though, as with any crowdfunded project, that timeline comes with a few caveats. Compact yet capable, the OmniOne measures just 158 by 135 millimeters and weighs a feather-light 326 grams. Its 5.7-inch HD touchscreen delivers sharp visuals at 400 nits of brightness. Perfect for indoor work, though sunlight might be its only real rival. Despite its small footprint, the OmniOne doesn't compromise on connectivity. You'll find DisplayPort 1.2 and HDMI 2.1 outputs capable of running two external displays simultaneously. The 16.34 watt-hour battery promises over 5 hours of runtime, with USB-C fast charging at 35 watts keeping you powered through the day. At its core, the OmniOne runs on Intel's energy-efficient N150 processor, not built for gaming, but more than capable for productivity and everyday tasks. Choose between 8, 16, or 32 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM and up to 1 terabyte of PCIe SSD storage, fully replaceable for easy upgrades. A front-facing camera, dual microphones, and stereo speakers round out the essentials. With Wi-Fi 6 and Gigabit Ethernet, you're always connected, whether you're streaming, creating, or collaborating on the go. The bundled keyboard, complete with a small touchpad, transforms the tablet into a full-fledged mini workstation. The OmniOne might not replace your high-end laptop, but it could be the perfect balance between portability and practicality. Its promise lies in flexibility, a handheld PC that's equally at home in a backpack as it is on your desk. As with all crowdfunded tech, patience and realistic expectations are key. But if the OmniOne delivers on its vision, it could mark the next step in the evolution of ultra-mobile computing.